Hello, good morning. Good morning, friends. Please let me know in the comments below if you can see and hear me. And we will start soon. I will just wait 2-3 minutes. To make sure everyone can see this. Okay. So we're live. This is my first live stream on my LinkedIn and YouTube channel, and I'm thankful that you have joined me today. So I'm just double checking that everyone is seen and that you can hear me. Please let me know in the LinkedIn or YouTube comments section that you can hear and see me. This will give me the idea that we are good. I'll just write a message here and see me. Okay. Still not sure if you can hear me. Should be good. Okay, I'll start probably. Okay, everything seems to be working. I'm still waiting for my friends, or 3 of my friends who have kindly responded that they will join. Still, I cannot see. Not sure what the problem is. Okay, anyway, I will start, and you can leave the comments, your questions in the comments below, and you can probably watch this video later. And I hope that LinkedIn and YouTube has these functionalities to save the live videos. Good morning once again, friends, and thank you for joining my first LinkedIn and YouTube streams. I'm a small business owner like many of us here, and I've been struggling to write quality content for my website, social media, Facebook ads, you name it, right? I've tried services like Fiverr, Upwork, tried hiring some freelancers to write content for me. And when I write myself, I'm just stuck at staring at a blank screen. And today, I wanted to share with you my journey on starting writing SEO optimized articles for my business, which led to more traffic to my site and getting more clients. I've been writing SEO optimized article and posting them to my site. And let me show you the live dashboard of my Google Search Console. Okay, let me open this up. Okay, here it is. So I hope you can see the dashboard. And this is basically the graph of my website, which is strikeyourcoin.com. And as you can see, at the end of December, on December 31st, 2021, the number of impressions was less than 400, and the number of clicks was 7 clicks. So this is approximately the time that I started writing blog posts on my website. And you can see the graph is steadily increasing. And if we look at yesterday's Wednesday, March 30th statistics, I have increased the impressions and the number of clicks, and it's steadily increasing. I hope to continue this experiment during this year and increase the impressions as well as clicks. So you get more clicks and you get more clients, hopefully. And it actually proved March was one of the best months for my coin business. And yeah, I just want to share with you my experience and how you can probably achieve the same for your company. So the product we're going to talk about today is called Jasper AI, or Jasper Artificial Intelligence. It used to be called Jarvis, but because of some problems with Marvel company that owns Jarvis trademark, I guess, they renamed it and promised not to rename it again. So this is Jasper AI, we call it, and it's like a robot. So they have this cute little robot here. And it basically writes original creative content, and you can use it to write content for your blog, for your website, for your social media, for your ad creative, etc. And it's just amazing, I tell you. And Jasper has 2 plans. The starter plan is $29 a month. It provides you with 200 words per month, and it has access to more than 50 templates, different templates for different use cases, unlimited projects, unlimited user logins. But the beauty of Jasper is in the boss mode. This is the plan that I personally use, and I use it for this limit, 50,000 words per month at $59 US per month. This is more than enough to write like 4, 5, maybe more quality articles once you get the hack out of using this amazing tool. So it has everything in starter plan plus blog post creator. This is the one that I use, blog post, long form documents, and commands. These are very good features of the boss mode plan. Okay. Now let's go to the actual dashboard. So this is the dashboard inside Jasper AI. And by the way, don't rush to register with Jasper AI yet. Let me show you first. And at the end of this live stream, I will provide you with my invite link that will give you additional 10,000 words that you can use for your creative, and you will be able to use it during your 5-day trial. So please stay tuned, watch until the end, and I will give you my special invite link that will give you and me some extra words for future use. So as you can see, if we go to templates, there are like around 50 different templates that you can use for your business. For example, product description. If you have, for example, a Shopify store and need to write a number of product description, you can use this template. Sentence expander, Google Ads headline. So many different use cases that you can use the templates, and I will show you a few of the examples right now. So let's go with the shorter version. So if you see something like this Pro, this is only available on the Boss Mode plan. Other features are available on the Starter plan. So let's use one of the features which are available for the Starter plan. So this template is called PAS framework, which is an abbreviation of Problem, Agitate, Solution. Available framework for creating new marketing copy ideas. So the way Jasper works is you need to provide it some background information about what you're planning to write about. So today I'm using StreamYard as my application to stream to live stream to YouTube and LinkedIn. And let's use this tool as an example. So we provide the name of the product, StreamYard, and then I will just copy from another screen some short information about this product. StreamYard is a live streaming studio in your browser, interview guests, brand your broadcast, and much more. Stream directly to Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and other platforms. In the tone of voice, you can add anything like happy, informative, educational. You can even write as a celebrity, like, for example, you can enter like Gary Vee or Tony Robbins, etc. But let's say we want to use informative. And this is optional. You can just leave it empty as well. So informative. So we have provided it with some information. And here is the how many outputs do you want, because it can provide you with a number of different outputs. And here is the button. So we click this button, and it takes a few seconds for the AI to generate content for you. Okay, so problem. Live streaming is a great way to connect with your audience and share your message, but it can be difficult to get started. Agitate. It's hard enough to find the time to create content, let alone learn a new skill like live streaming. True. Solution. StreamYard makes live streaming easy. With our simple drag-and-drop interface, you can create professional broadcasts in minutes. Plus, we offer powerful features like guest interviewing, branding, and live chat that will help you connect with your audience. Amazing. So this is one of the outputs, and it has provided 3 variations of the output. And how it works, you may ask. So Jasper read about 10% of the whole internet in 2019, so it knows all about pretty every niche. But there are some things that happened after 2019, for example, COVID, and Jasper may not know about that as a fact. So this is why we can always provide it with some background information so that Jasper knows what to write about. Okay? So this is one of the examples we were using a template. Now I will show you a feature of how to write great blog articles. This is long-form assistant, or we can also go to documents and click new document. And there are 2 steps here. You can either start from scratch or start a blog post workflow. Okay, let's do the blog post workflow. And here we just need to provide what we want to write about. Articles are great for educating your customers, for informational articles, how-to articles, etc. So one of the top popular topics probably is how to lose weight. how to lose weight. This is the topic we want to write about for our article, for our website, for example. Keywords, this is optional, and then we click continue. And now the second step, it asks you to write your own title, or let Jasper help you generate some ideas. So I like to generate some ideas. Okay. By the way, let me know in the comments if you've been able to join the live stream on LinkedIn or YouTube, and I will see on my second screen that I'm not alone here speaking. Okay, thank you. So, okay, we have a bunch of different titles that we can choose from, and let's go with how to lose weight in a healthy way, for example. We will use this as a title, so it entered this title. And now it says, write your own intro or let Jasper help you generate ideas. So let's try and generate some ideas. For the intro paragraph, losing weight can be a difficult process, but it's possible. It's not impossible. In this blog post, we will discuss some tips that will help you lose weight in a healthy way, etc. So I like actually, so you can choose from whatever introduction seems most suitable for your article. Let's go with this one. Okay, we have gone through these 3 steps and click Open Editor. So on the left-hand side, you will see the information that we have given it. So we'll copy this. This will be our main title of the article. So it's H1. This is important to specify it as H1. Because later when you copy this information and post it to your website, these H1 are specific HTML codes that will let search engines like Google know. Oh, okay, James, I see, and Murila here. Thank you for joining, friends. Yeah, you can, if you will a bit late to join me, yeah, you can always rewatch, but hopefully you've been following what I've been discussing here. Thank you once again. Okay, let's continue. So this is the title of the blog article, and this is the introduction paragraph that was generated by the Jasper AI. So next thing, we need to generate a few sub-paragraphs, like make an outline for the blog article. We can go into Power Mode here, and it will give us access to all the templates here on the left-hand side. And we need to generate some blog post outline. Again, okay, yeah, we can post this here again and click Generate AI Content. Okay, and it has provided with some sub-paragraphs, an outline for the blog article. So we can copy this, paste it here. Let's go back to focus mode. We turn this now into H2. H2 is a sub-paragraph of the main topic. So this is also important when you post this later to your website. Let's do 3 paragraphs just for the sake of saving some time. Drink plenty of water. Which one? Like, I don't like this one for now, for example. You can always like because Jasper is just an assistant, and you need to write and provide some content yourself. Okay, I will show you a few steps how we can write sub-paragraphs. So let's dive into first step. So we want to write about this stuff. So we go again into Power Mode and click Paragraph Generator. And we want to write about don't go on a diet, make small changes to your lifestyle instead. Okay, and keywords, how to lose weight. For example, again, this is optional, professional, informative, let's say, informative. Okay, and we can decrease this to 1, generate AI content. Okay, so you want to lose weight. You're not alone. Millions of Americans go on diets every year in the hope of shedding a few pounds. But how many of them? Okay, this looks more like an introductory paragraph. So what we can do is probably I can get rid of these keywords to include don't go on a diet. we need to provide some more content when losing weight. Make small changes to your lifestyle instead. Okay, let's try again. Generate AI content. One of the most common New Year resolutions is to lose weight. And how many people achieve this by going on a diet? However, diets are often successful. Okay, this looks good, and we can copy this. And yeah, we can make some paragraphs additionally. And by the way, it shows in the top right corner how many words we have already generated. So this is one of the ways to write a paragraph. Let me show you another way for writing the second paragraph. This is the one I actually use most of the time. The beauty of Boast mode in Jasper is that you can give it commands just like you would give it to Siri or Alexa. You can literally say, write a paragraph about, we can copy this, for example, about eating more fruit and vegetable and less processed foods when, for example, when losing weight. Okay, and then we hit a control command, control enter command that copies this whole command, and it writes, in order to lose weight in a healthy way, it's important to eat more fruits and vegetables and less processed food, etc., etc. Eating more fruits and vegetables will help you feel full longer, which will help you eat fewer calories. And it stopped. And this sentence is not complete. You can either complete it yourself, or you can click this purple button, compose, and let Jasper continue its thoughts. So you see, and then it started about exercising. But this is not what we want to write in this subparagraph, so we can remove it and leave this as it is. Okay. And another thing, another step. Sometimes when you give the commands, the Jasper will duplicate itself, right? And you don't want to duplicate itself. There's a little trick. If you put 3 stars here, Jasper will not read anything above these 3 stars. So if there are no stars, it will read about like 2,000 or 3,000 words above the cursor, above where your cursor is. But let's say I don't want to read it and duplicate itself, and I would say expand on the headline above, which is this one. Exercise regularly if it's just a brisk walk every day. And we hit the command to write this content. What ways to lose weight, but not all of them are healthy. Here are some tips to lose weight. Okay, this is not something I want. We can do again like this, copy this, write 2 paragraphs about exercising regularly, even if it's just a brisk every day. Exercise regularly when losing, weight, for example, and we will do everything else and hit command to write. But one of the most that goal in manual way is to exercise regularly. Exercise doesn't have to be strength enough. Okay, we click compose, and it continues to work. Well, maybe surprised. One other thing is you can try adding some transition words. For example, on the other hand, if you write this transition word, hit space, and then click compose, it can continue. There are some people who try to lose weight by dieting alone. While this can be effective in the short form, it's generally not sustainable in the long run. But it writes something about not the exercise. Okay, there are many ways to make it so that Jasper writes per point. Okay, we have written so far 3 paragraphs and an intro paragraph. Right now, we want to write a conclusion paragraph. So make sure you remove any stars that you have written so that Jasper can read the whole article. And we can go into power mode and search for conclusion, blog post conclusion. Okay, and give some ideas what we want the conclusion to be written about. Okay, we want to about this. Eat more fruits. Okay, exercise regularly. Maybe you can also enter this at the top. So you need to provide it with some information. Actually not necessary, and generate AI content. And wait a few. Okay, conclusion paragraph. If you're looking to lose weight in a healthy way, don't go on a diet, making small changes. Okay, this is the one that it has generated. We copy this, write conclusion. Yeah, paste it, make this H2. Make sure to change. Here, just as you can see, in like 3-5 minutes, we have written a short article, almost 500 words. But you may ask, is it SEO optimized already? This blog post is not SEO optimized by all means. This is not like an article. Well, you can post it to your website the way it is, but there is an additional tool that is integrated with Jasper that helped me achieve those results I showed you previously. I will go into detail a little bit later. So I wanted to show you that it has Grammarly integrated. So if you make any mistakes, it will suggest to fix this, you see. But if you have a Grammarly or other checker, like an extension in your browser, you can use those and disable that. The other feature is, you may ask, well, maybe it's just copying paragraphs or sentences from other resources and puts it here in this article. Well, Jasper doesn't work that way. It doesn't like copy paragraph by paragraph or sentence by sentence. It literally writes on the fly, word by word. It is trained to write as a human and predicts which next word would a human write for this particular topic. It's not, I mean, like, it's not pulling from any source. It rather aggregates all the ideas that it has analyzed from reading 10% of the internet. And to be 100% sure, there is an integrated plagiarism checker. It costs like so little just to check this article. For example, it costs less than 6 cents, and we can scan the document. Okay, it says no plagiarism found on your account. And this is an integration with Cityscape, one of the best plagiarism checkers on the internet. Okay, so let me show you this feature. Okay, this is here when I go to SEO mode, and let me show you an example. So as you know, my business is making custom challenge coins. And if we write custom Canadian challenge coins in the Google search, so you will see a bunch of my competitors who are paying Google for the ads. You'll see other competitors who are better in organic traffic. And yeah, here on the first page of Google, you will see 2 of my links to my website. This is to my main website. And this is the article I wrote using Jasper. And the SEO integration. The SEO integration is called Surfer SEO. It is here. It's a separate integration, and it costs around $49 US. But they have like partnership with Jasper, and once you integrate it, you will have this additional menu here on the left-hand side, and it literally shows you well, first of all, Surfer SEO analyzes your competitors, like the 10 competitors that are on the first page of Google, and then it shows you how many words you need to write about this topic, how many paragraphs you should use, how many headings and images and which keywords and the number of times you should use those images. So, and this score, content score, increases after you write the content. For example, if I remove this, content score is still like good, but the words is less. But if I remove like most of it, it will be good. So, and I was writing this article using this, and if you hit more than 75 out of 100, it may you might expect to be on the first page of Google. Okay, this is like amazing. This tool, this Surfer SEO tool, allows you to write like SEO optimized articles. So let's go back to Jasper. Jasper has more than 2,000 positive reviews, and their like average ranking is 2.8. And if you want to use my link, you can go to ishkaev.com/Jasper and hit enter. And once you follow this link, it will redirect you to this page, and it will say your friend gave you 10,000 words to try Jasper for free. You can try this. It's like you can try it for free for 5 days. If you don't like it, you can just forget about it. But I've been using it for 3 months, and I love it so much. It has brought me more clients, and it has paid this tool a lot. Yeah, and you can see the link as well right now at the bottom of the screen. And yeah, so let me ask you, friends, would you like, you can ask any of the questions in the comment below, or I can also invite you to this stream, and you can join my stream here. Let me send you the link. So you can see the link right now in the comment section in LinkedIn. And if you follow the link, you can join me and introduce yourself, your business. I'd love if you can join me, and we can network. There are not a lot of people right now, but why not use this feature and network a little bit, and we can wrap up. Let me know if you're not able to join. That's totally okay, but it may take some time. You don't need to register. You just follow the link, allow the browser to access to your microphone and camera, and then I can let you into the stream. James Murilla, let me know if this is something you want to do and join the stream. If not, you can ask any of the questions in the comment section below, and let me know if you think this would benefit your business. But I'd love to see if you can join the meeting actually, and yeah. So I'm not sure, maybe you have left already. Nobody is commenting, nobody is joining. Probably you have left the meeting, but that's totally okay. You can rewatch this video later. And I hope this was beneficial for you, my friends. I've been preparing to show you this, but yeah, it has been helping my business, and I hope it helps your business to achieve even better results. I know, James, you have like a great website on Shopify, and you mentioned a while ago that you want to write some, maybe even to hire someone who knows about gardening, about those machines that you're selling. But you know better, because when I was trying to hire someone, they wrote me an article, but that wasn't my expectation, because they didn't know about the topic, about like challenge coins in my case, as much as I do, and they were rating just some stuff which was not like perfect. So I started to use this tool, and I can always customize it the way I like. Looks there is no one here in the stream. Okay, no worries. I'll wait. It looks like there is a lag between what I say and between what you see on LinkedIn. So probably you just realized that I mentioned that you can join, and I wrote in the comment section that you can follow the link and join. And I will also write the link to get.com/Jasper. Follow this link to get link. Looks like everything has left the stream, but that's okay. I know we're busy. It's Friday. Thank you again, my friends, for joining. And for those who watch this stream in recording, I was happy to see you all, and I hope this information was useful. Let me know in the future in the comments if this was helpful and if you will use this tool. Thank you again, and have a good weekend. Oh, actually, James, I just saw that James is here. Okay, let me send the link once again. The link. Join. Well, let's see if James can join the stream or Marilla. You can see my comments. Oh, that's you can see my comments on okay. Let me do the following. Let me put the link. Okay, you have to run. No worries. No worries. Thanks again, guys, for joining today. And yeah, here is what James wrote. Good too, Aaron. Thanks for sharing. I have to run. Sorry, I could figure out how to jump on the stream. That's okay, James. See you next time. Thank you for all who joined. And yeah, have a good weekend. Bye.